gonna put a wall up right here. We're gonna put a wall here, and then 2 sliding doors that's gonna slide and meet right here. Each one of these is gonna be a horse stall. There's 4 stalls here. We're gonna connect 2 by 12s in the middle and put bars in here like kind of like a jail cell bars through here, so you can walk up and look over at the horse in the barn. There's going to be sliding doors here. They slide open to let the horses in and out, get the horses in and out. We're going to put bars inside of these windows here so that when you open the doors, that the horse can't stick his head out of his stall, but he'll be able to get it out. There's going to be some great big sliding doors here. This is going to slide back so you can get a tractor in here if you need to move hay and all that. This is going to become a wash bay to wash the horses right here. And I think that one is supposed to be the drying bay or something. I'm not too sure about this one here yet. But and I think we're going to stack hay in there. We started working on this right here. This has been a project in process for quite some time now, but this right here is a tack room where they're going to put the saddles, maybe a drink machine or refrigerator or something, and saddles, bridles, blankets, horse feed. It's going to all be up and ready by June 1. See, we put this wall up right here. These doors were really tough. They're kind of massive. These are 4x8 right here on these roller tracks. This is my design. I stand behind my work, so I couldn't copy that what the other people did. But this is 4 stalls. They're hooked up, braced, ready to go for birthing stalls. To be honest with you, you can actually, they can give birth in these stalls. These doors here were massive. They actually open really well to be as big as they are. These doors here are 7 foot by 8 foot on a massive steel track. I moved along so well with it. The barn owner wanted me to come in and put a wash bay in. So we put in a wash bay in when we come in and wash the horses, and I thought to myself, every shower you get in, you got a spot to set your shampoo at, right? So what better thing to do than to put me a place to put your shampoo for your horse right here in the wash bay. But he's gonna come back and add some detail to it here and there. Like he may want to cover that up, and yeah, I know the back, he's gonna want to do something up there. He wanted a retaining wall. So I did a retaining wall. He'll probably do a floor later. And then as a token of appreciation, out of the scrap material, we built him a saddle rack. I should have built him 4 because he's got 4 stalls, but time didn't allow that this time. But that's a token of appreciation for his work. 2-3 years ago, he had me attach this roof and build this part. And then with the plans, he's used it to store hay for the cows. With plans to turn it into a horse barn, and this year he just turned it into a horse barn. These steel trackings and stuff, all that stuff right there. That's massive stuff. Carry a lot of weight. And then you got the track that goes at the bottom. Keeps it straight. That's how big they are. They're like 12 by 14s. I'm Rodney from Rodney's Custom Carpentry. We build just about anything you won't build and fix just about anything you won't fix. We do custom decks, rails, columns, mailbox posts, curb appeal, remodeling, tile work, you name it, we do it. We take pride in our work. There's nothing more that I'd like to do than to have your next project.